How to fix Facebook notification not working on Android. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can fix the notification issue on your Facebook. So firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Facebook app by opening your Play Store on your device. After opening Play Store, go to the search bar on the top and search for Facebook. After you search for it, look for any updates that may be available for the app. If there is an update option available, then click on it to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page. Now from your home page, navigate to the Facebook app. After opening Facebook, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. From there, scroll down and tap on the option Settings. Inside Settings, you will see different options like this. Scroll down and go to the section Preferences. Under the section Preferences, tap on the option Notifications. Inside Notifications, go to the option Comments. As you can see, the push option is enabled. Now go back and check this criteria for every category. Make sure that in every category, the push, email, and SMS option is turned on. Now go to the settings option on your device and search for Facebook app. Once you are in the app info, go to the option notifications. Now make sure that notification option is turned on. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.